Hi and welcome to the channel. You're watching Moto, and this is a brand new GoPro Hero 12. Now this little guy has, for motorcyclists, a couple of really cool features. And so in this video I want to show you one of them, and that is really how you pair this one to any of your helmet installed Bluetooth devices. That will make any vlogging or just recording audio doing a ride much simpler. So to give it a try, we have the Hero 12 and we're going to use the Sena system that's installed on my Shoei R14. There's also a video about installation for that right here. And if you're new to the channel, there's also a new max lens mod, second version, and this will make the camera even more capable, especially for everything I use it for on the racetrack. So if you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe so you can see me testing the new camera with the new wider, better, sharper lens on the racetrack to see how the footage turns out there. But let's jump in how we get this guy paired to Bluetooth without any cables and extra microphones, etc. So let's pair it and then take it for a ride. Also neat, the new GoPro 12 has now a little receiver for tripod mounts. All right, turn on the GoPro. So you just swipe down, swipe to the right, and then here you have a Bluetooth menu. There is device searching. So we're gonna go to our Sena, start it up. Now you're gonna hold the center button on this particular SMH10R.
Intercom pairing. Universal intercom pairing. Configuration menu. Phone pairing.
And it shows directly up here. You click on it and voila. And it's as easy as that to pair it. Then you can just go back and record. So let's mount a GoPro on a chin mount here. There's also a video here in the corner or in the description below, and see how the audio quality is.
So today it's pretty windy and I wonder how good the noise cancellation is doing, how the audio quality is. I'm going to test this. It's definitely super neat that you don't have any cables, you just can connect it. Sure, it might drain the battery a little bit quicker, but that's what battery chargers are for. So yeah, you can ride around, record your adventures, and share all your wisdom. The meaning of life, and what bike is best, and especially what tire pressure to run.
And this is really how easy it is to add a Bluetooth device to your Hero 12. I realized in the previous footage it was hard to see, so here a little bit more of a close-up where you can delete devices. It's searching right now because the helmet is turned off. And yeah, it's really quite easy to manage, pair devices, and enjoy your Bluetooth devices. So if that video was helpful, please give it a like. Ooh, there's a really big thing here. If it's helpful, please give it a like. And yeah, watch out for more videos. I'm definitely going to take this guy with the max lens to the racetrack and get hopefully some dope footage there. Hopefully you have happy vlogging, make lots of cool content, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. Bye bye.